underway kayo, may mga kasama po dyan. Okay? And then, this year po, no, 2025, January to March, meron na po kagad 31 incidents po. No? Diyan sa Southeast Asia. Okay? And then sa Somalia, 3 incidents na po. Okay? So, malaki po talaga dito sa Southeast Asia po. No? That's why sa mga Astra, no, meron na kayong reporting system dito sa Southeast Asia. Yung in-implement sa mga taga-Astra. No? Nilagay na ng reporting system dito pag pumasok kayo sa Southeast Asia. Okay? Next. So, pirates prefer to use long lightweight ladders and ropes for a long hook pole with a knotted climbing rope to climb up the vessel being attacked. So, yan yung promo na ginagamit nila, no? Yung mga rope na yan na may hook para makaboard sila, no? And then, increasingly, pirates are used small arms wire and rocket-propelled grenade or RPGs. Okay? In an effort to intimidate the masters of ships to reduce the speed and stop to allow the